Good morning, YouTube. It's a beautiful day to go save lives. I mean, go make tall grass short.
Tall grass short.
That's our new slogan.
We're going to put that right here. Making tall grass short.
Come along with us.
That's our specialty.
All right, Joseph.
Yes.
Today, we're both making bread.
And we have...
This morning, I'm making...
3 overgrown, haven't cut... Well, one has been cut once this year, I think. Not by us. These are all homeowners that just decided they want us to start cutting. And they're like a foot to 2 feet tall, depending on which of the 3 we're talking about. So we're hitting all the big ones today.
So Joe and Harvey are going to go make some bread while they are mowing these new lawns. And then later this afternoon, maybe finish up a chain link fence installation.
All right, guys. Harvey and I are going to give this whole YouTube recording thing a go. I used to do it when I was, well, in that shop right there.
Can I record you while
you record me recording you?
I'm going to record you recording me.
Oh, we're going to do the old cone flip here. Didn't do it.
You did not.
Harvey?
Oh, I'm doing it?
Well, there's another cone. It's got to get out of the trailer.
I'm using this one.
Well, how's that going to get out of the trailer? I don't know. Bentley did it. He's saying Bentley can and you can't. This one's broken this morning. Nailed it. All right. So yeah, we're gonna do our best. So let's see what we see that you see, because I'm gonna put this on my head, maybe, but probably on the tripod for starters. So we're at this house, which we're going to be mowing, but this is a regular mow. But over here, we're gonna be mowing one that's overgrown, and down the road that way, one that's overgrown, and then one across town. Yeah. So we'll get you over there and get you a look-see at it and make tall grass short.
All right, and I'm going to be making edible bread. I am making edible bread to sell for bread, but then I got to go work my second job.
It's like an old man sitting out here on the porch.
I'm waiting. I'm just trying to go to work.
He's a grumpy old man.
He is a grumpy old man.
He needs like a pipe or something, a corncob pipe and a newspaper.
But then Bentley and I are going to head over to the Airbnb to clean it. Then we got basketball, so it's a busy day. So let's get going. Joe is going to take the GoPro.
Oh, and I'm going to mow that house too.
I am so comfortable using my phone and the drone. I had to get the GoPro, and I don't really know how to use it, and I haven't used it.
And I've never used it.
So we're just going to hand it over to Joe and see what kind of footage he can get for us today.
I'm going to try to do the head mount thing. So you guys are going to see firsthand me mowing / my ADD, looking at the tree, looking at the dog at the neighbors, and then the car go by. And then.
So we'll
but
see
you might
how
see
this
some mowing too. Sometimes
around.
I look where I'm going.
And then there's Bentley, first thing in the morning on his motorbicycle.
Motorbicycle?
Electric dirt bike. One of them.
He has 3, so sometime we should do a video on his 3 electric vehicles. But for now, let's go to work.
Allergy.
All right, guys. Let's spin you around. Where's Joe? We are at the Airbnb that we take care of. I got my co-pilot here. Bentley order. You gotta fix the hair. Bentley ordered some batteries and motors and parts for his electric builds that he's been working on, and he went a little over budget, so we don't give our kids anything, and this boy's got to work a little to make up for it. So he's gonna help me clean this Airbnb. The boys tell me they think they got the GoPro figured out and they should have some footage for me, so we'll see what that looks like once I get home and edit, and then you'll have the pleasure of seeing it like instantly. So we gotta load some trash and get inside and do some cleaning. I don't know what this one thing's doing. But all right, let's get to it. The boys are mowing this lawn. It was on their list for the day. Bentley and I have to clean. And I baked all the bread this morning. It's all out at the farm stand. gotta get this done and then get this boy to his second day of high school open gym for basketball. Woo! Woo! All right, let's go.
We're recording each other, recording you.
Cone flip here. Didn't do it.
You did not.
Heavy?
Oh, I'm doing it?
Well, there's another cone. It's gotta get out.
No,
of the
I'm
trail.
using this one.
Well, how's that gonna get
That
out?
one's junk.
I don't know. Bentley did it. He's saying Bentley can and you can't.
God damn
This
it.
one's broken this morning.
Yeah. Hold on. I was just trying to hit Joey. I didn't actually try to flip the cone.
Nailed it. All right. So yeah, we're gonna do our best. So let's see what we see that you see, because I'm gonna put this on my head, maybe, but probably on the tripod for starters.
Probably.
So we're at this house, which we're going to be mowing, but this is a regular mow. But over here, we're gonna be mowing one that's overgrown, and down the road that way, one that's overgrown, and then one across town.
Yeah.
So we'll get you over there and get you a look-see at it and make tall grass short. 2 passes on that knocked down, we jumped to the rest of the yard, which was I think that was mowed within the last week or 2. So we jumped over there, knocked that down, let this dry up a little bit, and now I'm gonna have Harvey throw his deck up all the way, which is like 5 inches or so, and go back over this while I run over. And not sure if I'm gonna cut the easy regular mow at this house or go down a couple more houses, the one that hasn't been cut and this season, and knock it down so I can do the same thing, have it dry out. But one of the two. So I will check back in over here when this gets a
the Airbnb is all cleaned and it is time to go home. Look, it's so cute in here. It was our old house and we still get to work here, so that's kind of fun. But this is all clean. I just have one load in the dryer and then I am done and it's off to basketball. I was able to catch up with Joe here. So when I get home, I'm going to go through some of that footage and bring you some of the best stuff I can. And we're so glad you're here and you're supporting us and having fun with us and watching our videos. We really love what we do. If you are going to the expo this October in Kentucky, let us know. We want to meet up with some of our landscaping friends that we've never met and only seen online. I think that would be fun. So let us know in the comments if you're going to Kentucky this October, because we are, and we hope to see you there.